Hello children, I am Tejo, and in this video we are going to discuss the exercise of our second lesson, the use of nouns. Our first topic is the singular and plural nouns. Under this topic, our first main question is rewrite each sentence using the plurals of underlined words. First one is a tomato is a fruit. Here, tomato is the underlined singular noun whose plural is tomatoes, but just changing tomato to tomatoes will make the sentence grammatically incorrect. So we have to make some changes in the original sentence and rewrite the sentence. In this sentence, as you can see, A in the beginning of the sentence is dropped and is, which goes with singular nouns, is changed to are, as are is what we use with plural. Hence, our answer would be tomatoes are a fruit. Next question is the policeman has caught the thief. It is the sixth question. Here, policeman and thief are underlined words. That means we have to convert policeman to policemen and thief to thieves, and we also need to change has to have. So our answer will be policemen have caught the thieves. Next is eighth question. A motorway is a fast road for a motor car. In this question, motorway, road and motor car has to be changed into their plural forms, which are motorways, roads and motor cars. And we also need to change is to are. We need to drop the article in front of these three underlined words. So our answer will be motorways are fast roads for motor cars. Our next main question is rewrite each sentence using the singular form of underlined words. First one is houses have roofs. Here, houses and roofs are the underlined words. The singular form of these words are house and roof respectively. We need to use has for singular. So have will become has. We also need to add an a in front of house and roof to show that they are singular. Hence our answer is a house has a roof. Next one is the fourth one. Are foxes cunning animals? It is a question. Here, foxes and animals are the words that need to be changed into their singular forms. Fox and animal are the singular form of these words. are will become is, and we need to add an a in front of fox and cunning. Hence our answer is a fox a cunning animal? Next one is the sixth one. Dogs are good friends to men. Here the plurals we need to change are dogs and men. The singular forms of these are dog and man. And of course we need to change are to is and add a in front of dog and man. This makes our answer complete, and hence our answer is a dog is a good friend to a man. The next main question is correct the following sentences. The first one is Lucy has golden hairs. Here it is given hairs, but we don't write hairs. It is not countable, and it is wrong. The correct one is Lucy has golden hair. Second one is I saw a flock of sheep. Here again sheep is same in singular and plural. The plural form of sheep is sheep only. So the right answer is I saw a flock of sheep. Third one, no news are good news. Here are is used incorrectly as news is singular, and therefore is the correct one to use here. So our answer is no news is good news. Our next main topic is, our second topic is kinds of gender. The first exercise in this part is give the opposite gender of the following, and some words are given here to find out the opposites, and you can find out the opposite of these words from page number 12 and 13. Our second main question is change the gender of nouns in each sentence and make other necessary changes also. First one is given as an example in textbook. Second one is the lion killed the washerman's daughter. Here lion, washerman and daughter are the nouns we need to change. The opposite gender of these nouns are lioness, washerwoman and son. So our answer will be the lioness killed the washerwoman's son. Next is fifth question. He is a good actor. He plays the role of a hero. Here he, actor and hero are masculine nouns, and their feminine gender are she, actress and heroine. Hence our answer will be she is a good actress. She plays the role of a heroine. Next one is eighth question. He thanked the man who had saved the life of his son. In this question, He will change into she. Man will change into woman. His will change into her, and son into daughter. So our answer is, she thanked the woman who had saved the life of her daughter. Now our next main topic is the possessive. In this section we have three main exercises. The first one is rewrite the items correctly. The second question is the table's legs. First one is given as an example. So this usage is wrong because table is a non-living thing. So we cannot say the table's legs. The right answer is the legs of the table. Likewise, the next question is the book's cover, and it is incorrect. The correct answer is the cover of the book. That is the preferable answer. The room of Arun is not preferable to Arun's room. In the similar way, father of Jane is incorrect. The correct answer would be Jane's father. Our next main question is, see if the sentences are okay, and if they are not, then you have to correct it. The first one that we are going to see is, the house of my parents is not big. Is it right? No, it is not. Then what is the right way of saying it? The right way would be, my parents' house is not big. Why would parent get an apostrophe? Because the house belongs to the parents. To show this sense of belongingness, we use apostrophe. Likewise, the next question that we are going to see is, when is the birthday of your mother? Now, how would you ask this question correctly? We would have to ask in this way, when is your mother's birthday? Again, here the mother is the one who is going to celebrate the birthday, so the apostrophe and s are added to mother to show that it is her birthday. Now the next question is, the job of my brother is very interesting. Now this is again incorrect. So what would be the correct answer? The correct answer would be, my brother's job is very interesting. Here again the job belongs to brother, so brother gets an apostrophe and s. The next question, the main question is, use the words in brackets to write the answers. The first question is, whose pen is this? And we have Nina in bracket. That means Nina is going to get an apostrophe and s. Likewise, the next question is, where are you going? And since we have grocer in the bracket, we will write grocer with apostrophe and s. So it would be grocers. And next question is, where is she staying? With grandma in the bracket, and grandma would get an apostrophe and s will be the answer.